ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। भगवानुवाच अविनाशी तु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति। 17th श्लोका, 2nd chapter. Here Bhagavan Krishna talks about one more quality or character of Atma. One is it is timeless, another one is it is spaceless. Timeless, the Atma is eternal. It was there, it is there, and it will be there. But here he talks about Atma is all pervading. Space, like space. That's what he explains in this particular sloka. And he is using one more word. When we say Atma is eternal, you cannot destroy. Here he is using the word destructible, indestructible. Anatma is avinashi. Anatma is vinasi. Atma is avinashi. You cannot indestruct Atma. Also, it is all pervading. That you know, that everyone know, but please understand this. Two things very important. Atma is eternal. It was there, it is there, and it will be there. And Atma is all pervading. It is space. Suppose say room space. You can destroy the room, but can you destroy the space? No. Why no? Because it is all pervading. Please you understand this. That is what this sloka explains in detail. With respect to limited space is not there, unlimited space. Unlimited space, the better word is Atma is all pervading. That limitless body comes and goes, but Atma is not. Because Atma is eternal. That's what earlier slokas he told. Here he is telling Atma is all pervading. Please you understand this. Also, Atma is avinasaka. You cannot destruct Atma. It is indestructible. How he said Atma is not perishable. You cannot perish Atma because there is no birth, there is no death. It was there and it is there and it will be there. The perishable only for the body. Here again, the destruction can happen only to the body, not for the Atma. Because, but here he explains Atma with respect to space. It is all pervading. So Atma is eternal. Atma is all pervading. No time boundary, no space boundary. This we have to understand. Arjuna, you also understand. That's what Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey in this sloka. We shall see one more sloka tomorrow. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.